Hi everyone, I'm Olivia with Native Health, and I'm here with...
Hi, I'm Tara, and I'm the dietitian at Native Health.
And we're going to be bringing you a new series called Food for Thought, which will be posting videos on our social media page every week. And today we're going to be making blue corn tostadas. So let's get started. So we're going to get started with our dough. So we have blue cornmeal, juniper ash in here, and a sprinkle of salt. And the juniper ash is really great in calcium. So 1 teaspoon of juniper ash is equal to a glass of milk.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some hot water. So you want to make sure that you do add hot water to your to your corn, and then also the juniper ash, so that it'll mix better and hold better as well.
Okay, so while I'm doing this, Tara is going to get started on our pico de gallo.
Okay, so in front of us we have all of our items prepped. So the first thing I'm going to do is add tomatoes. Okay. All right, the next thing I'm going to add are some jalapenos. Okay, a little bit of garlic and some cilantro. The next thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of onion. And lastly, squeeze some lime onto it. So the nice thing about pico de gallo is that you use a variety of vegetables, and then on top of that, it does add some great flavor to our meals. The next thing I'm going to add is just a pinch of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my hand instead of pouring it directly into the bowl. So that way I have more control over how much I add.
And it smells good already. I can smell it from right here.
While Olivia is getting the tortillas together, I'm just going to go ahead and stir up the beans. So the beans that we use today are tepary beans. They're a good source of fiber. So ideally, we should aim for at least 24 to 30 grams of fiber per day. And so both of these combined will definitely help us get one step closer to that.
Okay, so I do have my blue corn into a ball, and I have wax paper. Right here, I have 2 pieces of wax paper. I'm going to put my blue corn ball into between, and I'm just going to press it out. And it'll look something like this. Okay, so I already have my pan on. I have it on warm. I'm going to add some canola oil. And then I am just going to put my blue corn tortilla into our pan. Okay, we'll have this one cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And then we'll bring out this one. This is the finished tortilla. I really like the color of it. It's like purple bluish color.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. And then we're going to add the tepary beans.
Okay. All right. So you don't need a lot. You can just add about a spoonful. And the last thing we're going to add is we're going to go ahead and put our pico de gallo on there. So this is a great healthy meal that is a good source of fiber, a good source of calcium, and then also very colorful and delicious.
Yes. So this is our blue corn tostada with the pico and the tepary beans. And like Tara said, it's very beautiful in color. I hope you guys try this at home, and then we'll see you in our next one.
Okay, enjoy!